I'm up in the woods near Walker. I got my Henry lever action 22 right here. The first 5 shots are going to be standard Remington 22 long rifle, and the following 5 shots are going to be CCI super quiet that are at about 710 feet per second. So let's see what they sound like. Alright, that's the first 5. Yours are going to come out for the last 5. I found them to be really nice. You don't need your ears for them. Safety. And I'm really looking forward to trying the 22 short, because that's supposedly even quieter. And if you're hunting squirrels or rabbits or what have you, in a populated area, meaning there are houses, within a mile or so, nobody's going to hear you. So, thanks for watching.